Hey there, brain explorers. Welcome back to the Pharmacology Vault, your go-to place for clear, high-yield neuro and pharma content. In today's video, we're diving into something every medical student, nurse, or curious mind should know. The four major lobes of the brain, what they do, how they work, and what happens when they don't. Your brain is divided into specialized zones called lobes, each one in charge of different superpowers: thinking, sensing, speaking, seeing, and even feeling. There are four key players: frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be able to guess which lobe is active when you hear music, feel pain, or plan your next vacation. Let's start with the frontal lobe, the decision maker, the boss, the one in charge of all your executive functions. It helps you plan, focus, solve problems, and control voluntary movements. It also houses Broca's area, the part that lets you speak fluently. And get this, it's where your personality lives. Damage here? Think poor judgment, mood swings, or even difficulty moving. Next stop, the parietal lobe. This one sits right behind the frontal lobe and acts like your body's internal GPS and touch processor. It's where your brain figures out touch, pain, temperature, spatial awareness. Ever tried to touch your nose with your eyes closed? That's your parietal lobe helping out. Alright, now let's talk about the temporal lobe, located near your temples. This is your audio center, processing everything you hear. It's also deeply involved in memory, thanks to the hippocampus, and emotion, thanks to the amygdala. And if you've heard of Wernicke's area, that's here too. It lets you understand spoken language. Damage to the temporal lobe? You might hear sounds but not make sense of them, like hearing a foreign language you don't understand. And finally, the occipital lobe, at the back of your brain. Think of it as your internal projector, taking in visual info and making sense of what you see. It decodes colors, motion, shapes, and patterns. Fun fact: if this lobe is damaged, a person might experience cortical blindness. They have working eyes, but the brain can't process the images. So, quick recap: frontal, think, speak, move; parietal, feel and navigate; temporal, hear, remember, and understand; occipital, see and interpret. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Pharmacology Vault, and drop a comment below. Which brain lobe do you think you use the most every day? Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.